1 year ago, guys, my old man, he passed away. Rest in peace, Dad. But we did have plans to build this BSA with him. We were going to do a whole Father's Day June segment. Never really happened because he got sick. But now we still have the opportunity to build it. And if you guys have been following me for the past year or so, you'll know that I've been getting pieces and parts put together. But now it's time for the big breakdown and start setting everything up, finishing welds and painting. And we're going to get rock and rolling right now. Check it out. Here it is, guys, the BSA in its prefab glory. If you guys remember, we tack welded on this LED bar. That's going to work for brakes. We also tested it. We know that it works. Here's our battery box. That's going to get ripped out today. I'm going to sand that. We're going to paint it this same burnt copper color here. This is the 650 motor on it. As you can see, I got the new carburetor's temp installed. We're going to pull this out, the exhaust coming out. These are the handlebars that we bought that we're going to go with the new heads and the new bars here. This is our LED light. All of this is coming off. Fork, it's coming off. Wheels coming off. This is just going to be a bare frame by the time it is all said and done. Oh yeah, the fender here too. Remember I painted that up? That's fun. Alright, so we're at a point where we're going to pull this motor out, and we've got pretty much the rear end disassembled, and we're using what?
Transmission jack.
Yeah, because everything else is taken.
Yeah.
But this should be fun. Would you look at that? Motor's out. Getting ourselves real close. Front forks left. And then we're going to start hosing her off.
Yes. Here we have two mechanics, if that's what you can call them, trying to dissect a motorcycle fork. Ooh. The one in the black seems to be afraid. Rightfully so. These are unknown territories for the two. It now seems as if it's the other's turn to remove the other side. With lessons being learned from their previous adventure, they seem to have a little more confidence with the job.
Well, would you look at that? We are just now bare frame.
Oh!
There's a wheel. There's the triple tree. Here's some pegs. And there's the swing arm, some bar stuff. That's a Martin.
Yeah. I'm a Martin.
Woo! Well, it's going to be it, guys. We got the bike disassembled, the frames cleaned off, power wash. We also did the swing arm and some pedal accessories. We're going to take those back to my place. I'll sand them up and maybe do some painting on those, just because those don't need any more work. They don't need any more welding. They just need to be cleaned up, painted, and then set aside until final assembly. You got anything to say?
Clean up bearings and clean up fasteners.
Oh yeah. New bearings, repack that stuff. Think we may keep the wheels. We'll see on the fence. I don't know yet.
I like disc brakes a lot better than drum. But
Yeah, but that may be more modification than we want to do right now. Anyway, like, subscribe, keep coming back for more Robbie Sucks. Remember, it's okay to suck, just don't give up. Hit at RobbieSucksStore.com. We'll see you guys next time. Peace.
peace.
Oh no, my phone.
Oh no, hook her down. Hook her down. Yeah, that stand's not